go. We have our helicopter. Okay, guys. Relaxing. Warning.
Yes.
Do not try this at home. This is a dangerous helicopter. I mean, hexacopter.
Yeah.
And it's too scary for kids.
Why?
Run. Catch him! Catch him! Catch him!
I got the helicopter now.
I want to
No. Tell me, please. I will do it.
Please.
Please what?
Please, can you let it?
Okay.
Go.
Put in work. I will. Did you found?
Huh?
Did you get your helicopter again?
Oh, this hexacopter is too dangerous.
No, it's too small, man.
Small. You're my little tarantula.
Uh-oh.
Get out! Get out!
Amazing, yeah. Now it's flying very good.
We have
Oh.
no. Is it broken?
See?
Oh,
What?
look, it's dirty.
Good, it looks like, yeah.
Guys! Other giant helicopter. Or RC one. Out of the way! Guys, I was in school today.
Yeah? What have you done there? Oh.
I was making works.
What?
Works.
Works. What kind of works, Gerti?
Mom just goes somewhere, and if he comes, I'm gonna make homework. I have homework today.
You can do? Do you need some help?
Mommy helps me with.
I will help you today, Gerti. Can I?
Daddy, catch it!
Oh. Show us how far can you drive your helicopter?
Oh, no.
Try. As much as you can. As much as you can.
We can do a hand sensor switch.
Okay. Wait.
Hand sensor switch is too dangerous, guys. Do not try this at home with dangerous toy helicopters.
Because it might harm.
Because they go to the earth.
Ooh. Much higher.
Agent!
Higher.
Helicopter! Agent, where do you want to go?
Can you fly more?
Subscribe. Peace out!